welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a Oreo milkshake and ice cream cake. Now today's theme is Oreo ice cream treats, so I'm going to be showing you how to achieve all of this. The time is really hot. It is really getting to summer right now, so I'm going to be showing you how to make all of these, so stay tuned. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Okay, so for the milkshake we have 1 cup of ice cream, we have 1 cup of milk, and for the Oreo we are using 4 packs. So I'm going to put everything right now in my blender. And then put in my 1 cup of milk. And for the Oreos, we're going to break them in half and put it in the blender. And there you have it. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to blend it. So let's go. Shake this up. Okay, so you just want to go around. If you messed up, you can always come back around. And I'm taking my time going around like that. And there we go. And now I'm going to be adding some Oreo chunks on top. That's the decoration. There we go. And there we have it. An Oreo milkshake. Okay, so now I'm gonna be tasting this Oreo milkshake. This is really good. Ooh, nice. No, son, it's nice. Oof, this is really good, guys. Okay, so for the ice cream cake, I'm using 2 different flavors. You can use any flavored cake of your choice. I'm using wine, slice, and carrot cake. So I'm going to be taking my ice cream, I'm using strawberry, and I'm going to be putting even coats on each slice. So I'm just going to go ahead. Do it. in there.
Mommy, like it's there. It's there, dears. And I put in this plate. And put on my eat it. And put it on this cup. And you can eat it. This one. Alright, Amanda. Want it.
There you go, guys. So now we're going to be putting it in a pan. And here we go. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the freezer and I'll come back and show you the finished result. Guys, this is a finished product, so I went ahead and trimmed down the sides and I put a few pieces on this plate and then I added some whipped cream, so this is looking delicious. So we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 500 subscribers. I will be doing my 500 subscribers giveaway. The instructions are in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out my recent videos. They'll be in this iCard right here. And also, there will be links to them in the description box down below. And I just want to say a big thank you for the support and people sharing my video. I really appreciate them. I be reading everybody's comments. Don't comment, guys, comment. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend, say, hey, jump on board and subscribe to Amanda's YouTube channel. She got great content. And I post videos every Friday, so don't forget to check them out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.